Limited. Defunct. Ultra rare.
Hats and caps unboxings. And today we have an NHL Snapback, New Era, 950. Let's take a look at what we have in. This is a Florida Panthers Snapback 950 cap from New Era. Panthers were founded in 1993. That's when they came into the league. They play in the Miami area of Florida, that Miami metro area. It's that question is an NHL fan outside of that area. They probably wouldn't know where the Florida Panthers play. That is a good question. That's probably like the Florida Marlins back in the day. But I digress. Let's take a look at the logo. Get an up close look. This is the older style logo that they had. 950 Snapback. Let's take a look at other details of the cap. See the back. It's a simple gray outer color. This is a medium large. This medium large represents that this will fit a size 8 hat size. Usually the small to medium does not go up to the size 8, so it fits the bigger size head, which is good for those people because usually they're excluded from a lot of releases that are decent. The New Era, and you have the snap right there. That's all there is to it. 100% cotton. You don't see that too often, a cotton. So what do you think of this hockey hat from New Era? Again, NHL and New Era are not in partnership anymore for a worldwide distribution. Only the team stores of the specific hockey club have the option to carry New Era hats. So official team stores of a specific team has the option to carry New Era caps. Fanatics is the NHL's official merchandise, and they have their Fanatics hat, not New Era. So these New Era NHL hats are hard to come by. So if you like this type of content, subscribe. If you're interested in purchasing anything you see on the channel, including hats, NHL New Era hats, check the description. All that information is definitely there. Subscribe if you like the content, and have yourself a very nice day. So long.